This is my 2019 Yamaha Tracer 900, and it's got a few mods, and I want to do a cold start video so you guys know what you're getting into here. You can see before I start it up, we got 3 matching Shad bags, top one being expandable, so it goes up and down. It accommodates quite a bit stuff in there. They're all in the same key, so with each other, not the bike, so there's a separate key for that. I did a bunch of other mods to it, crash bars, auxiliary lights, replacing the blinkers. I wrapped it, and heated grips, added heated grips to this one. I also did a tail tidy kit on it, along with a camera. It's got a built-in recorder for one in the back and one in the front. Also added a whole bunch of blinkers. I figured visibility was positive, so I custom built these. They run on actually an Arduino. It's a microcomputer inside of it, which I'm including, and the ones that are on the shocks there. And all of the wiring in the entire bike is entirely non-destructive. So all of the factory harnesses are still there. I built everything so that the harnesses could just be unplugged. You can go back to full factory. I have all the parts for it as well. They were new when I took them off. A little USB charger, just for a cigarette lighter. Change the windscreen around, and I'm thinking if there's anything else. I think that's most of it. I'll do a quick show and tell here on the inside. I already popped the seats up. You can see some of the handiwork here. It's tucked in there. It also has a lithium battery. Swap that out. And it's pre-wired here for heated gear. So that's on its own deal. The electronics, it's kind of tucked down in here. You can sort of make it out. If you recognize the wires, it's got an amp link kit. Bluetooth connected to your phone if you want. You can start adjusting when the circuits turn on and off. So it keeps the wiring, as you can tell, pretty organized. I have extra set here of connectors for a set of tail blinkers similar to the ones on the front, along with the brake light. So I just never got around to doing it, but conceivably you could add another set of blinkers to the gear, the bags. You can have quick connects on them if you wanted, and yeah, that's a good way to go. So let me fire up the bike. You can get a quick experience of cold start. It hasn't been running for a day or two. Engine's freezing cold right now, so let's see. We should be in neutral. Let's get this thing fired up for you. Go. The auxiliary lights, you can see, are right here. Turn on. And then you can see these added on lights there. I'll fire up the blinker so you can see what that does. On the other side. Yep. Kind of Night Rider-ish. When you stop it, it goes off and then fades back up. You can see the other side of it as well. And the hazards are pretty cool. I like how the hazards work on here. Everything is 100% operational. I've done oil changes using all the Yamalube, and it's all registered with Yamaha to get the extra warranty on it. Oh yeah, you can see the other blinker. Look in the tail, and it had the full tail delete. So it's got an integrated LED tail light as well. So mostly cosmetic mods. The crash bars are good protection for it. I'm gonna kill the motor. The crash bars are really good protection, and most everything else are for comfort, convenience, and safety. So solid bike. It's been a delight to have, and The wrap is pretty cool. It's a very unique color. A lot of people haven't had it, although I have started to see there is some gold variant, but this is the standard 900, but pretty loaded up. So it's got the, you can see the dash here, you can see the mileage, under 2,700. And oh, the heated grips. I put those on and they're actually integrated into the bike. So I'm just gonna use this. You can see how the heat is moving up. So they work like they're factory. They're not some chintzy extra button to press somewhere. These are just for the auxiliary lights. They're built there. And this right here that's flashing is the recorder. So you can press this little button and it'll lock in whatever you've just recorded. So pretty cool. Record your trips for you. There's a GPS mounted right here for the camera system. So it'll actually track your rides and you can look at those on your phone. So some fun stuff. Center stand, if you're familiar with the bike, it's got some great features to it. It's very comfortable for 2 people. I've been on some pretty long rides on this, and sad to see it go, but I can't keep all these bikes. So for the next person, this is fun. This was a good COVID project and a great little bike, or not little, it's 900 cc's. It's a pretty powerful machine, really quick and agile. So hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.